The last case you will need to add will be the arrow right. And inside that case, assign is pressed to keys, right key pressed. So it's basically as the same as this one, but with a little bit of change. So add a new case called the arrow right, and then inside that case is that we assign the is pressed to the keys object with the property of right key and the property right key of pressed. So we first have to write that one and assign it to the is pressed boolean to indicate we are pressing the right key. And inside that case also is that we have to add an if statement. So if in a condition, a parenthesis for our condition rather, and a curly brace says, and we have to write the condition which is the x velocity is equal to 0. And if the x velocity is equal to 0, then we would have to assign the x velocity to the player velocity of x. So in order to do that, we would have to write the velocity, the player, its velocity of y, x, and assign it to the x uh, velocity. And below that if, it says, is that we would have to use the addition assignment operator to assign the x velocity to the player velocity of x. So again, you would have to write velocity, the player velocity of x, and then addition operator and x velocity. Nice.